Alright guys, welcome back to What PSU. So, if you have a Ryzen 7 5800X3D and you want to get a bit extra performance, maybe lower the temperature a bit, and at the same time reduce the noise of your system a bit, this is the right video for you. Now, you probably read online that you cannot overclock the Ryzen 7 5800X3D, and that's not actually true, okay? You can still overclock it, but I would not recommend doing it simply because the temperatures just get out of control if you do overclock it. I think the best way to go is to undervolt it. So without losing any time, let's get straight into the BIOS of this Asus X670P motherboard and let's start undervolting. Okay, so here we are in the BIOS. Now, first step, remember to enable your XMP, aka your DOCP, which basically makes your RAM run at the intended frequency, in my case 4400 megahertz. At this point, remember also please to enable resize bar. This will give you a bit of extra performance. At this point, okay, just go into advanced mode. Now, little disclaimer, if you have a different brand, say you have a Gigabyte motherboard, an ASRock motherboard, the names will be a bit different, okay? But the tutorial is so simple, you cannot go wrong, okay? So I will first of all show you how to do it, and if you want to stay, I will tell you for different motherboards as well, okay? So on Asus motherboards, we want to go on AI tweaker, and then just go down all the way until we find something that's called VDDR CPU voltage. At this point, you want to hit enter and select offset mode right there. Now you want to select the VDDR CPU offset mode sign and put it on minus right there. And then you want to write 0.05 right there. At this point, you want to just hit F10, save your settings, and the tutorial is done. So yes, very short tutorial. You can close the video if you want to, but I'd recommend staying a bit. Now, little extra tips. Please be sure to update the BIOS. I have just done it on this motherboard and it actually increased the performance of my system. So make sure to update your BIOS to the latest version. In Asus motherboards, you go into Tool and you use Easy Flash after downloading it from their website. Now, let's say you don't have an Asus motherboard. How do you do this? Very simple, okay? So you enable the XMP/DOCP, okay? You enabled resize bar, all of that after you have updated your BIOS to the latest version, and then you want to find something, a section in the BIOS that's called overclocking or tuning or AI tweaker, something like that. And basically, the different names for the CPU core voltage, they might be CPU voltage, core voltage, vCore, something like that. And then again, not every time you will have the offset mode to select that way, but you basically want to set a negative offset of minus 0.05. Very simple, guys. Just do it, and please let me know if it was helpful. And by the way, I have many more videos on the channel about GPU undervolting, CPU overclocking, and even builds like this one right here. We bought it with a 3090 for basically just 1,000 bucks. So if you want to see how I've done it, it's on the channel. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.